Okay, now we have IGCSE Chemistry, and here we are doing February-March 2024, paper 1, variant 2. And there we go with the first question. Which statement about a solid, a liquid, or a gas is correct? Gas has a fixed shape. No, it's not. Liquid takes the shape of the container and it can be compressed. No, it cannot be compressed. A solid has no fixed shape and cannot be compressed. Solid has, so it's the wrong one because it has a fixed shape. So the D option, a gas, takes the shape of the container it is in and can be compressed. So D option is the correct one. Which diagram represent a mixture of compounds? So if you look at the diagram A, they are showing the particles, two different type of particles. It can be represented for any elements. Then there we go for the B. Here we have the combination of element and compound. Then we have C. There we have different mixtures of compound, and D option again there is a single compound. So C option is the correct one here. 4 ions are listed over there, and we have the atomic numbers. You can check it out, and then you need to write the configuration. For example, if it is nitrogen, as its atomic number is 7, so it's 3 minus means 3 electrons. It has extra 3 electrons, so you need to write the configuration according to that. So the question is which pair having the same electronic configuration. So for this one, B option is the correct one. Aluminium and nitrogen ion going to have the same electronic configuration. Which statement about isotopes is correct? Atom with different number of electrons? No, it's not. Obviously they can't have different number of electrons. Atoms with the same number, mass number? No, mass number can't be same. Isotopes of the same element have different number of neutrons. Yes, because number of neutrons is the main parameter on which we can describe the isotopes. So C option is the correct one here. Which statement about the ions formed by the elements in group 7 of the periodic table is correct? Group 7, all of the ions over there must have -1 charge, so the A option is the correct one, so don't need to go for the other. Which row describe the properties of potassium bromide? Potassium bromide, it is soluble in water. Yes, it is. So only B or D can be the correct option. Melting point, because it's an ionic compound, so melting point must be high. So obviously the D option is correct, because in solid state it couldn't act as a good conductor. Which statement explains why graphite is used as a lubricant? Because it has not. It's not the reason. The bonding or the 3 bonds, the carbon atoms are arranged in hexagons. No. Yes, the D option is the correct one. There they have the weak forces of attraction between the layer of carbon atoms. What is the balanced equation given over there? So the only one equation which is written over there correctly is in which the magnesium sulfate is written correctly. So A option is the correct one. The relative atomic masses of an element is the average mass of the isotope of that element compared to another. And which particle is used? Carbon 12. So B option is the correct one. The equation of 2 reactions are shown over there, and carbon reacting with carbon dioxide, X number of moles are producing, and in the other equation we have water with Y number of moles. So you have to determine first. So it 2 carbons into oxygen, so on the other side X must be 2. So B, C or D option could be correct. And if you go for the second equation, the oxygen is 14 on the right side, so on the left side it must be 14, or 8 are already present in carbon dioxide. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6 must be present over there, so 6 water molecules. So it must be C or D. And both of the equations are as such, they are redox reactions. So 10, D option is the correct one.